Let's start today's current affairs of 6th October. First news is PM Modi pays tributes to freedom fighter Shyamaji Krishna Verma on his birth anniversary. Shyamaji Krishna Verma on his birth anniversary, PM paid tributes to revolutionary freedom fighter Shyamji Krishna Verma. He was born in 1857, set up a revolutionary center in India House, London. He propagated cause of India's independence through the journal called the Indian Sociologist. The Indian Sociologist के थ्रू के इस जनरल के थ्रू उन्होंने इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के थॉट को इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के कॉज को प्रोपेगेट किया था. ही वॉज फाउंडर ऑफ इंडियन होम रूल सोसाइटी. नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज रेलवे मिनिस्टर वर्चुअली इनॉग्रेट्स फूलबागन स्टेशन ऑफ कोलकाताज ईस्ट वेस्ट मेट्रो कॉरिडोर. कोलकाता के ईस्ट वेस्ट मेट्रो कॉरिडोर के फूलबागन स्टेशन को इनॉग्रेट किया गया है रेलवे मिनिस्टर जी के द्वारा. virtually inaugurated Fulbagan station of Kolkata's east-west metro corridor and flagged off first train from there to Salt Lake Sector 5. Entire stretch of the corridor connecting Sector 5 and Howrah Maidan is likely to be completed by 2021. West Bengal CM is Mamata Banerjee, Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates the Artificial Intelligence Race 2020 Summit. Intelligence Race 2020 Summit is inaugurated by Prime Minister. Race 2020 is Responsible AI for Social Empowerment 2020. MeitY and NITI Aayog are co-organizing the virtual summit from 5th to 9th October. Summit will discuss cross-sector subjects like leveraging AI for pandemic preparedness. NITI Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India was formed in 2015. Next news is World Teachers Day celebrated on 5th October. Held virtually on 5th October since 1994. 1994 से start हुआ था celebrate करना. Okay, this provides occasion to celebrate teaching profession and draw attention to the voices of teachers. UNESCO's World Teachers Day is co-convened in alliance with UNICEF, ILO and Education International. 2020 का थीम रहा है टीचर्स लीडिंग इन क्राइसिस रीइमेजिनिंग द फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज वर्ल्ड हैबिटेट डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 5th October, which is first Monday of October. First Monday of October celebrated as World Habitat Day. In 1985, United Nations designated first Monday of October every year as World Habitat Day. It was announced by United Nations in 1985. Idea is to reflect the state of our towns and cities and basic right to adequate shelter, intended to remind the world of its collective responsibility for future of human habitat. 2020 theme इस बार का रहा housing for all, a better urban future. Next news is Indian Bank's credit card, Kisan credit card loan for Tamil Nadu fishermen. Indian Bank introduced Kisan Credit Card Loan Scheme for fishermen in Tamil Nadu. Under the KCC, loans of up to rupees 2 lakh as a working capital with low interest rate will be provided. तो 2 लाख रुपए तक का लोन लो इंटरेस्ट पे प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा और ये लॉन्च किया गया इंडियन बैंक के द्वारा. रुपे KCC would be issued for loan provided under the Center's Mudra scheme. Indian Bank headquarters in Chennai. CEO is Padmada Chunduru. Next news is senior BJD leader Pradeep Maharati passed away. He was BJD leader Pradeep Kumar Maharati, a veteran BJD leader. He passed away. He was 7-time MLA. Mr. Maharati had been representing the Pipili Assembly constituency of this state. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next news is HDFC Bank's Ravi Santanam in Forbes list of world's most influential CMOs. Ravi Santanam, CMO of HDFC Bank, has been recognized in the Forbes list of the world's most influential CMOs. He was ranked at number 39. He is the only CMO of an Indian company to be featured in the illustrious list, which includes marketing heads of Apple, BMW, etc. HDFC Bank is India's most valuable brand for 7 consecutive years. Next news is Kritagita, an online portal an online portal to expedite disposal of pensions in Assam. Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal launched a portal called Kritagyata. It is the first portal of its kind among all the states in the country that has been designed to bring expediency in the disposal of pensions to the retired government employees. Portal has been created in line with Bhavishya portal of Government of India. Next news is West Bengal launches Pathashri Abhijan scheme. This Pathashri Abhijan scheme is a road repair scheme where more than 7,000 stretches of roads across the state will be repaired. West Bengal has collated a list of roads that will be repaired after people reached out through the Didi Ke Bolo initiative. West Bengal CM launched Didi Ke Bolo to address public grievances. Next news is Dr. Jitendra Singh releasing coffee table book titled Discovering the Heritage of Assam. Discovering the Heritage of Assam is a coffee table book which was inaugurated or released by Dr. Rajendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh is Minister of State for Department of North Eastern States, Minister of State for PMO, Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Atomic Energy and Space. Dr. Jitendra Singh released a coffee table book on discovering the heritage of Assam with a foreword by Amitabh Bachchan and published by Penguin. And the book is authored by Padampani Bora. Next news is Indo-American Chamber of Commerce represents Lifetime Achievement Award to Ratan Tata. The Indo-American Chamber of Commerce (IACC) has presented the Lifetime Achievement and Global Excellence Award to business icon Ratan Tata at a closed-door ceremony owing to the ongoing COVID crisis as part of its recent Global Leadership Awards. Ratan Tata received Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Social activist Pushpa Bhave passes away. Veteran social activist Pushpa Bhave passes away. She was associated with the Rashtriya Seva Dal and democratic movements. She was also an academician and an individual who fought for the rights of common citizens. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to chair 42nd GST Council. 42nd GST Council will be chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The meeting will be attended by Minister of State for Finance and Finance Ministers of States and Union Territories. In the last meeting, Centre had given two borrowing options to states to meet GST compensation requirement. GST Council has been constituted under Article 279A. Rajasthan government launches month-long mass awareness campaign on COVID-19. Rajasthan has launched a month-long mass awareness campaign on COVID-19. The campaign will run till 31 of October as a part of a statewide mass movement against corona. The state will distribute 1 crore masks to protect the public from COVID infection. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. CM Ashok Gehlot, Governor.